Hi, in this video I am going to demonstrate the new pSQL tool implementation available in the pgAdmin version 5.4. The pSQL tool allows user to connect PostgreSQL server with the pSQL utility through pgAdmin. Connect to the Postgres server. Select the database node from the tree view. Open the tools menu from the menu bar. You will find the pSQL tool menu option. By clicking on it, it will open the new pSQL terminal. Or you can also use the button at the top of the tree view to open the pSQL. It will connect to the server by using the same connection details provided in the server dialog. Here we can check it is connected to the Postgres database with Postgres user. Let's try executing some commands. Select star from user info with limit 20. I have already created user info table. Here we can see it is showing 20 records from user info table. Let's try creating some sample table. Create table sample with two columns, id as integer and name as character vary. Add constraint sample pk as primary key. Table get created. We can check by using /dt. Here we can find the newly created table, or we can just simply refresh the tables node from the tree view to check the newly created table. We can open multiple pSQL tools for the same database or for the different databases. Let's open the pSQL tool for the TestDB. Here we can check it is connected to the TestDB with user Postgres. It is a full-fledged pSQL tool where user can execute all type of pSQL commands. The pSQL option is always available when running pgAdmin in a desktop mode. However, it is disabled by default when running in a server mode. This is because it is possible for the user to run the arbitrary shell commands through pSQL, which might consider the security risk on the shared server. The system administrators can enable pSQL in a server mode if they don't consider it as a security risk for their users to run shell commands on the pgAdmin server by setting enable pSQL option to true in config local.py or config system.py. To close the pSQL tool, click on the close button on the right side of the tab. This is the basic of pSQL tool. Thank you.